Okay, I'm gearing up to clean and change all the parts on this Motorola 5T13P chassis. I disconnected the speaker and the antenna leads from the chassis because, well, for convenience sake. If it were still attached to the speaker or to the antenna coil, it would not be nearly as handy to work on as it is now. Now I can turn it over left, right, up and down and work on it at my convenience. So the first thing I'll do is clean up everything, and then I'll start changing all the capacitors. I'll also probably end up measuring the resistors just to see if they are still within spec. If they are not, then I'll probably end up changing the resistors too. Now there are two parts on this chassis that will cause me a little bit of a problem, which is this on-off volume button, which is rather unusual in shape and in size. So yeah, well, this part might cause me some trouble, and eventually I'll have to change this electrolytic too. It's a combined electrolytic, meaning that there are several electrolytics in it. Now that isn't going to cause me a problem, but what is going to give me some headache is to open up this can and fit in 3 modern electrolytics inside. As you can see, the can is rather small. It's about a thumb high and half a thumb wide. So, it's going to be causing me not a slight headache as to how I'm going to change the electrolytics inside. Anyway, let's start with the beginning, and let's start changing all the capacitors and measuring the resistors, and of course cleaning it, because there is some muck and some dust and everything on it. But really, I think this chassis, with a little bit of luck, won't cause me too much trouble, and within the space of the next update, or maybe the update after that, we'll have hopefully a playing radio. So hang in tight and stay tuned.